How to update your account info or payment method on GoGift. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Log into your GoGift account using a registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard by clicking on your profile or account icon, usually found at the top right corner. To update your account information like name, email, or contact details, find the account settings or profile section. Make the necessary changes and save your updates to keep your information current. To update your payment method, look for the payment settings or billing section within your account. Here you can add a new credit card, debit card, or payment option accepted by GoGift. Make sure to enter all payment details accurately and save the changes. If you want to remove an old payment method, select the option to delete or replace it with the new one. Keeping your account info and payment details up to date ensures smooth transactions when purchasing gift card. Now you know how to update your account info or payment method on GoGift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.